That's what she said. You may have heard of this phrase a lot out on the streets, maybe on TV,
When things sort of get hard. That's what she said.
or even in the movies. But you don't know why everyone around you was laughing. Well, this video is for you. Okay, let's get right into it. That's what she said is a joke, so it's supposed to be funny. It's a joke that is used during a conversation when the last sentence in the conversation can also double as a phrase used by a woman in the bedroom. So it kind of has a sexual meaning. Well, it does have a sexual meaning. And the word she in this phrase just refers to any woman. No no woman in particular, okay? Just women in general. So the best way to understand this is to look at an example. So let's look at this example here. So the situation is that there's a man named George and a woman named Anne, okay? And they're traveling and they see this building. And they're looking at this building together. And Anne says, "Wow, it's bigger than I thought." And George says, "Okay, this is where the joke comes in. That's what she said." And both George and Anne laugh. Okay? Anne thought it was funny. George thought it was funny, so they both laugh. So why is this funny? Well, it's because of this sentence. Okay? Now, in this situation, they're talking about the building, right? The building is bigger than I thought. But in this sentence, we only have the pronoun it. And it can refer to anything when it's not in context, right? So this phrase, when used in a bedroom situation, could sound like a woman is saying this to a man. Can you imagine that? Wow, it's bigger than I thought. That's what she said. You see? Okay, let's take a look at another example. In this situation, a man and a woman, Matt and Beth, they're shopping for pasta at a supermarket. Okay? And Matt asks, "Beth, how do you like your pasta?" And Beth says, "I like it al dente, a little hard." Matt says, "That's what she said." So, what's the last sentence here? A little hard, or I like it a little hard. So again, imagine a bedroom situation, a man and a woman. Can you imagine the woman saying, "I like it a little hard"? Yes, right? So that's why this is supposed to be funny. Okay, let's take a look at another example. This time, Julie asks Adam to pull out the plug. Okay, so maybe they're in the living room together, okay, or bedroom. And Julie asks Adam, "Can you pull it out?" And Adam says, "That's what she said." So again, imagine a bedroom, a man and a woman, they're in a romantic situation, and the woman says, "Can you pull it out?" What do you think she is referring to? What do you think it is? Okay, that's what she said. All right. Now, what's very important here is when you use this joke, when you want to try it for yourself, you must stress the word she. Okay, so it should sound like this. That's what she said. That's what she said. That's what she said. Okay? If you put the stress anywhere else, it won't sound right to the native ear. And the people around you may not laugh, or they may laugh at you. So don't say it like, "That's what she said," or "That's what she said." It just doesn't sound right, okay? So make sure you say it like this. "That's what she said." That's what she said. All right. Now, some people they like to change things up a little bit. And instead of "that's what she said," they say "that's what he said." And it's possible, okay? So let's take a look at this situation. Sally and Roger, they're talking about a website, and maybe they're on the telephone. Sally says, "Did you log out yet?" We know what they're talking about, right? Log out of what? Log out of the website, okay? But when we don't know the context, or when we think about the bedroom situation again, Roger says, "No, I'm still in." No, I'm still in. Okay? And Sally says, "That's what he said." Ha 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 ha. Okay? So it really depends on the mood, it depends on the person or the people you're with. That will make this funny. Okay? The timing has got to be right as well. Alright, so if you think you understand how to use this joke, why don't you write your own joke sentence down in the comments below, and let's see what you can come up with.